Kumana na mateta na makaya kuma kuri muingi kumana na gicanjama kia muthenya wa ira kuria matha wa jirumiano arahiukirie ikobi riu borithi ni matacukite ikinya kuria mwikuirwo ucio arikitie guikio ngono na thutha ucio arekereirio na bodi ya ciringi 10,000 etereire gukinyio igoti-ini gatatu ga kiumia giki. Omaya magithiaga na mbere mumbunge wa Mathira Rigathi Gachagua ni akomithitie giko giki akiuga gutiri mundu wina rutha rwa gwika giko ta giki indi watho wagirirwo ni kurekwo urute wira.
Arrests have been made. The matter is under investigation. My comment on the matter would prejudice investigations. But what I know is that in this country there are laws. And nobody is above the law. Let police proceed with the matter within the law and take appropriate action as provided for in the penal code and proceed. And we must allow police to do their work.
Rigathi ni ugite aramenyire iguru rigie giko giki thutha-ini.
I don't, as Rigathi Gachagua, I don't condone violence. I'm a very humble man. I'm a very devout Christian. I'm a very peaceful man. I condemn violence from anybody to anybody, whether gender, whether to men, whether to women. I don't believe that political issues can be sorted violently.
Ihinda-ini riu afisi ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi ni yugite ni kwambika uthuthuria iguru rigie giko kiu kia muthenya wa ira. Kugena kwa muikariri giti wa kiama gia gutetera ihoto cia atumia gia Fida Mwangare ni akomithitie giko kiu akiuria munene wa borithi bururi-ini Joseph Boynet gutigirira mundurume ucio uria urakurikana ta James wa Njohi ni atacokirio ikinya ria kiwatho na gutigirira gutire giko ta kiu kia hanika ringi.